Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. At first, I want to thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Shayande. I'm from Tomluk. I am 17 years old, and I passed my Madhyamik from one of the most reputed schools of Tomluk, Tomluk Computer High School. As of now, I'm a student of Tomluk Computer High School, and I read in 12th. My ambition has always been to become an established lawyer. That's why I've been putting lots of efforts. That's all about myself. Thank you. So today, I'm going to share a topic about how I spent the day after completing my 11th. Actually, it was 18th March when I had my biology exam. I got up from my bed at about 6:30 and I had to wake up. Getting up from my bed, I did all the essential stuffs that I usually do. I washed my face and brushed my teeth. After that, I started studying for a while, probably 2 hours. Then I went to bath to take bath, and then after that, I went to my exam hall. In the exam hall, I wasn't thinking of how I can make the answer better so that I can get more marks. All I was thinking was once the exam is done, I will leave all this and go to the ground to play cricket. The exam finished at 4:30. I reached my house at 5 p.m. I was very much tired, so I just went to my bedroom and literally I fell asleep. Then I got up at 7:30. After that, my father was there and he asked me how my exam was. I said the exam was quite decent. I'm gonna get more than 30. And then hearing that, a bright smile arrived on his face, and then he admired me. After that, I just took snacks because I was hungry, and then I went to my bed and I was very much tired, so I again fell asleep. I got up on Sunday. I got up at 10:30. After that, I got a call from my friend to go to Rakhal, and then I just went there to play cricket. I just went to Rakhal to play cricket with them. The match finished 2:30. Then I came and then I came. Then I came. Yes. Then I came back to my house at 3 p.m. And I again left my house at 4 p.m. My mom got very angry, but I said the exam was finished right now. Let me do whatever I want to do. Uh, she didn't. She just allowed me. Then I again went to Rakhal, and coincidentally someone was there. I I just my friends, including me, started playing cricket. In the first match, we were playing cricket. Suddenly, a boy came from nowhere, asked one of my friends to involve him into the game, and then he became a part of the game, and then we started playing cricket. At the end of the first innings, the score was probably 120, and we had to chase it down within 8 overs. I went there as an opener, and then I got 60 plus runs. But the moment when I got out, the boy was doing umpiring, and he said I was out. But that was a no ball. I said if a cricket rule says if a batsman play a ball over his waist height, it is a no ball. He said I'm the umpire. I know what to do. Without having an argument, I just went to the gallery and sit beside beside her, and then she, with having no knowledge about cricket, said you weren't out. They just gave you out. I said, then I started calming down, and then I just sat and then started gossiping with her. Mm, the match finished, and my friends started asking me to play cricket with them, but I said I've got an injury in my leg. I won't be able to play cricket with you, because I know if I said the exact reason, I would have been teased, whatever, what friends do. Then at 6:45, her mom called her, and said your father has arrived. Come back as soon as possible. Then she told me, and then she went back to my house. The day was quite special to me, not only for cricket match but also few things. That's all that's how I spent the day. Thank you.
Okay. So, Sean, I have some personal questions. So, uh, what do you think? How much important English in your life, in everyday's life, or the history? What do you feel about it?
Sir, I think English is sir, I think English is very important to know, because it's 20th century, and without having knowledge of English, you won't be able to communicate with people. throughout the entire globe. So I think people should have idea about it.
And what do you want to study for after teachers?
As I already mentioned, I want to be a lawyer.
Lawyer. So what do you think? How much it is important for studying lawyer?
I
Being a
think
lawyer, lawyer is another lawyer.
it's very essential to know English if somebody wants to be somebody wants to be a lawyer.
Okay, good. Thank you, Shan.